Well, man, like that thief. Woman tell she a thief. I have to go and scam people and get money. I like them at it. She not thinking about them to lie and wicked. It's a chick. It's a chick woman deal with. And she have to come off a TikTok. She too damn thief. Oh. What will you talk about? So who make the woman vex with you? Who said who said something to the woman? Auntie, little more. Auntie, little more. Come in where you could have got where you could have got to me, but you see, don't want to talk to me. If you want to go about her fucking business and go about her liar, say, the woman blood clot liar. The woman will do one little charity on TikTok, she too lie no blood clot. The woman a liar. She go about her business. She thief no blood clot.
Was somebody send her money for you and she not send it to you?
Yeah. The woman, where's the auntie? One of them always favorite. She had a charity and someone give her money for give her. How long she don't give her it. But the woman says don't want one says she a thief.
Who robbed you, Uncle? I'm at work, so you gotta bear with me. I'm at work. Somebody stole your money.
No one she had a charity. She says she help me with that. And if anybody upon the life can help Derrick with some little change, man make little help to pay him rent, and she get the money all along. She said somebody give her £50 to give me all along. She don't give me the £50. She don't give me the $200 with the money.
Uncle, I don't really know. I don't really know about the money in Jamaica. Like, if I gave you like $100, will it be enough?
That's more than enough.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you get $100. I'm gonna let my girlfriend do it because I'm at work now.
Yeah. Huh? Yes, all right. So
Why did she do that? That's not nice.
I saw them stare.
They're very wicked. That's not nice.
But Uncle, for stop make them send it to people and send it to him.
That's not nice. How can you take somebody's money?
It don't want to do charity. She do charity.
Oh, like she help you out. Like if you need something, she would
like
give
Miss
it to
Dana.
you. Okay.
Yeah, that charity woman do. Auntie here, she see me and she said she gotta do something. She gotta help. She gotta put me on her charity and get she go help for me. And woman get and she don't give me $1.
Yeah, but that's stealing. That's stealing. Because if you get the money to give somebody, you don't give them. It's stealing.
Yeah, it is.
Of course, all the woman like, the one to give somebody recommend nursing home the money if you give me. I know the nursing home.
So why the money has to go around in a circles if she get the money? She not just send it to you.
That's not nice.
Them too wicked and stay bad.
That's evil.
So them stay his wife, yeah. You can't follow up these people on TikTok, my love.
Them wicked.
I don't really know about it like that, because I kind of come on it like recently. So I don't really know much about it, but it's something that I enjoy. And I love the Jamaican TikTokers. Like the TikTokers from Jamaica, they're so funny. They're super funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're super, super funny.
Uncle alone me gift on TikTok, Him alone me gift. I see them have a number 12 badge and him alone me gift on TikTok. I don't give a soul over here.
Oh, okay.
And just the other day I learned.
I'm gonna learn it though. It's because I'm like at work now. I can't really talk much and stuff because I have to be here and there every now and then. But like a little time I can jump on.
Right,
and talk. Yeah. But I'm gonna learn about it. I'm definitely gonna learn about it.
If you never want to do something, don't take people money and you sit down on the people money. Give to people, beg to people. So when you go out and a big pot for somebody and then afterward, you take it for yourself.
That's not nice.
My girl, how you do?
Good evening, Uncle. I'm okay. Love from Trinidad as always.
she has send help that Trinidad too. We're homeless and them sitting.
Like too much bandits. Too much bandits. That's what it is.
I wish
She
him uncle make her go fast for her page.
She go fast and she go fast. She well upon her life now.
I wish she name.
All the favorite.
Everybody wanna go over there go say thief underneath her live. Wanna go over there go spam her live and say thief.
She upon life now a big.
Wow. Wicked people.
You go over there look and come back.
That me did want to, but me can't do it. I'm on the live. My other battery dead.
Same here. I go in because I want people to know who she is.
Yeah, when you go over there, go spam her live and say thief underneath the comments.
Highly favored. Alright.
Alright, so one of the greatest things is that said to you, say, yo, you know, say, if I don't say I have cancer or whatever. But
When she said, I don't give Queenie, understand.
So here's an activity that you can do in Panama that is almost free. Except
Need to cheat.
Então, olha nessa cena aqui dos trigêmeos, ó. Isso aqui é por interesse, sabe? Yeah. Olha, they all different.
Bounce like ball.
guys, look at the Trump. Look how the Trump pretty. Look there. Whoa. Eh? Good restaurant. Eh. Only in Switzerland. No it up.
The number one in commercial.
Top of the screen, guy. Top of the screen.
Look a bit enough. Uncle never want come and know finna. Uncle don't want mix up with you no cause member say you walking time bomb. Uncle don't want you exposed by him. Dirty convict go beard. Go beard. Go and beard. Uncle don't want hear nothing about you cause remember when the boy take away your car, the boy say anti-car. One Derrick. Can never two. Dirty convict go beard. Go beard. You can't hold no argument with
But the boy
uncle.
take it. But the boy take it. But you can't the boy take it. Can't look all over the globe look for in girl them.
Uncle come here now. Member say you tell we. Member you know. When the boy go for the car, now remember the boy if he come pick you up in a uncle, you say you now go in the car. Remember good now? Remember
Over time.
did one up Uncle Canrick. But here, Canrick don't see the uncle here where I say, I know me make Derrick money never keep Andrew. Derrick never have used the money for keep Andrew dirty Canrick. I alone did that buy cocky.
Me no man cocky.
But yeah,
I'm
but
not tell me country, but
the man tired of your Canrick. Go on Canrick. We not gonna do this with you. Cause you can't send one money, you can't do right yourself. Yeah, come uncle, we are talking about different situation. So uncle, want the internet? Oh, you know see a big things are going on the media, guys. You know shoot. One Anna, guys. Yeah. You know see a big things are going on the media. Why TikTok mash up uncle? Guys, big up on yourself, taps. They are going to play 2 games with my uncle. Nobody can interrupt we. Come it go on. You know make no sense as so call you do a tap. Yeah, make no sense. You
I'm
can't.
stop calling them, friend. Stop calling you and
Yeah,
just
me
block
stop calling you.
them.
Me
Both
stop
them
calling you,
man.
uncle. Anything else me work with it. Uncle, so stop calling you. I'm tired of you. Yes. Guys, anything for the 2 time?
Syria.
A lie. Miss Bling put on gown murder.